MONTCO CONNECT supports the concept of groups which join individuals in common together. For instance, members of the same department, student members of a club, student veterans, etc. all can be members of a group. Once a member of a group, it will be listed under the Groups section in the left navigation. Under each group banner, members are able to create posts similar to many social media platforms. Posts can include text, images, files, and more. In addition, others in the group can comment on a post and like a post. Some groups are private. For instance, only those within a department can be a member of a department group. Other groups are public. For instance, students are able to view groups for each club and join the groups they wish. There are over 60 groups created for students, including groups representing high schools that students formerly attended, groups for support organizations such as Act 101, Keys, Minority Student Mentoring, the Veterans Office, Athletics, and more. All student clubs will also be represented through a group on MONTCO CONNECT. Students are also able to request affinity groups, which, if approved, will provide an informal space for students of a common interest, like study groups, to communicate. Groups for employees are being piloted in the fall of 2020.